and happy Earth Day. Today's Earth Day, April 22nd. But when you guys see this video, it'll no longer be Earth Day, it'll be April 23rd. But anyways, today we're going to be doing a science experiment regarding Earth Day and about water pollution. And water pollution has a lot to do with Earth Day. And with water pollution, we're going to be talking about the steps that we can take as individuals to make the planet a better place to prevent water pollution from happening. So you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video to see how our experiment about water pollution goes into play. Thank you guys. So you guys, for today's science experiment, I have a plastic container filled with water, which will represent our ocean in the experiment. Then I also have a piled plastic plate filled with trash, which are items that people typically throw on the ground and what ends up in our ocean. Also, I almost forgot to mention our turtle. He is going to basically show us a life in the water with pollution and what it's like for him. I apologize if the turtle doesn't look like a turtle. I'm not really a good artist, but let's get started. So let's say a construction worker decided that he was going to tear down a couple trees and he was going to build a playground so kids could play. But the playground is near the ocean. And now the particles from cutting down the trees are now in the water with the turtle. Our turtle here is getting poked by the particles. Okay, now let's say the park has already been built. The construction workers have made the playground. And let's say a family decides to come and eat at the park. And they forgot, they threw a sauce on the ground. Now this sauce has now landed inside of the water with the turtle. And now someone has decided to throw some napkins on the ground. And now these napkins have made its way into the water with the turtle. Now, as you guys can see, our turtle seems... And so now someone has decided to come to the beach. And they decide that they don't want their apple juice. And now they've decided that they're going to pour some of that juice inside of the water. And now Mr. Turtle cannot take it. His water is no longer clean and he's unable to breathe with all of these substances that are in our water, in his water. These people now have destroyed his home and he has now become in danger. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed our science experiment about water pollution. I just want to stress the importance of our role in the environment as individuals and the steps that we can take to prevent harmful things like water pollution from happening. Water pollution's #1 cause is littering. And a lot of the times when, I'm sure any of you guys have seen, when you guys go outside, you see trash sometimes outside when you're outside of stores. And that's because people are throwing their trash on the ground instead of actually disposing them in the garbage as we're supposed to, because trash travels and this trash is landing inside of our big bodies of water like the ocean, rivers, lakes, and we do not want that happening because the items that are landing inside of these big bodies of water are actually super harmful toward our animals, our fish, our turtles, and we do not want their life being put in danger as they have been in the past. So please, you guys, play your part as an individual in the environment and dispose all your trash. Even if there isn't a trash can present, just keep it with you, beside you, put it in your pocket and wait until you get to a trash can so you're able to throw it in the trash. And even if you see trash sometimes, pick it up. But of course, wash your hands afterwards, immediately. But it helps, and we're in control of our environment, and we can actually change the world by doing little things like picking up our trash. So thank you guys again for watching the video. Make sure you guys are continuing to watch the videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'll see you guys for the next science experiment.